Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to customize main menu character in CS2. Okay, first things first, at the bottom of the main menu, just locate and click on the settings button. Here in the settings, just find the option to switch the agent between counter-terrorist and terrorist. Just click on it to toggle between available agents. Within the settings, just look for the Change Weapon option and click on it to customize the weapons for the selected agents. For each agent, just set your preferred weapons. For example, you can set the M4A1S for the counter-terrorist agent and the AK-47 for the terrorist agent. You can also fine-tune other settings as desired to personalize your character in the main menu. And as simple as it is, you can now customize your character how much you prepared. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now customize main menu character in CS2. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.